Woody Woodpecker. Mwah! You are now leaving down. That's all for today. Wrap it up. Hold it, please. How about a publicity shot? Say cheese. This is a gala evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight, the popular movie star, Woody Woodpecker, will place his footprints in the forecourt of the Chinese theater. Just a minute, please, for a publicity shot.
Oh, boy, a vacation at last. Away from the Hollywood scene. No more grease paint. No more cameras. Ah, this is a life.
Uh-oh, there's a scoop. Hi, remember me? I'm Scoop Smith. I recognize you. You're Woody Woodpecker, the movie actor. Now just a few quick shots. Look pretty.
I gotta take care of this guy. He could ruin my vacation.
How's that? Pretty good, eh?
Only one thing wrong, Droop.
Scoop.
Oh, yeah. You're too close.
This better?
Still too close. Back a little bit farther. Bloop.
Scoop. How's this?
No. You're still too close. Keep going.
This far enough?
That's pretty good. But just a little more.
Well, okay. Now?
You can take it now, Stoop.
Scoop!
What a kook.
Well, I'll get a picture of the woodpecker in his natural habitat. He's gonna take my picture. Ain't that cute? Wonder what exposure he used.
Here you are, Bloop. If you want to photograph a bird, you gotta catch him first. Here you are. Alone at last. Well, if it isn't Droop.
Scoop! Now smile, please.
Sure, I'll laugh out loud.
Oh, my gosh. Phew, that was close. Oh, no. I'll get that woodpecker's picture if it's the last thing I do. Hey, Woodpecker! Now, Spotty, you are gonna pose for a picture if I have to hog-tie you. Now, give us a big happy smile.
Why, sure, Stoop.
Scoop!
Oh, I hate to look.
Yow! Ow! Oh! 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 Ow! 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 Oh! Ow!
Boy, what an action shot.